But the actual 400 gigs is just not enough. I need 1 terabyte. I sometimes film, you know, I might be driving up and down. I might do 1st Avenue, 2nd Avenue, 3rd Avenue all in one day. So I do it in 4K, and those videos just take up so much space. So I bought a 1 terabyte drive so that, you know, I'm not sure if the GoPro does this. I actually have to look it up. Or maybe if someone's listening, let me know. I have the GoPro 11, and it's odd. I filmed a video. I started a video, a 4K video, and that 4K video runs for about 12 minutes. I get 12 minutes of video, 4K, 60 frames per second, bit rate at 10 with the new GoPro 11. And then when I got home, the card was maxed out. I mean, there was like a meg left, nothing left. But what I noticed is that the first video I filmed or I recorded was gone. So I'm assuming that that's not the case, but does GoPro write over the oldest video if you're running out of space towards the end? So if the max amount of videos that you can, or max amount of video clips that you can put on a micro SD card on a GoPro, if it's, let's say, 20. So if I record a 21st one, will it say you've run out of space and stop? Or will it just record over the oldest video? I'm just curious about that. Or maybe I made a mistake and I didn't press record when I was filming. So if you know that answer, please let me know below. The GoPro 11. So I'm just going to do a simple read and write test. And see if we actually get these speeds. I mean, that is fast. 190 megabytes, 130 megabytes. Write 130, read 190. And it's amazing what we can get, the amount of space we can get into these small things compared to, anyone remember these? 1.44 megabytes. And I started out with the 5.25 inch disc, the floppy ones, which held, I don't know, what was it, a meg or maybe 4 megabytes? I'm sorry, these were 1.4 that held kilobits of data, like 256 kilobits of data. The only difference is that the floppy wrote on both sides. You could flip it over, and the diskette only wrote on one side, but it was 1.44 megabytes. I used to take pictures on these also with the Sony Mavic camera that came out. They used to take floppy disks. The 5.25 inch floppy disk were, I remember needing 2 of them in school, one to load the OS and one to run the program. I wonder if you remember that. All right, let's get away from memory lane and test this out to see if we get these speeds. So as you saw on my test, I did two program tests, Blackmagic and the Crystal speed test. And I also did just dragging a, what was it, a 1 gig file, 10 gig file, and then a 20 gig file. And you can see the average write speed. So, I don't know, maybe I'm just not getting the right ones. Maybe my USB port is acting up. I did try 3 different ones, I'm not sure. Or maybe my adapter that I use, it's a USB 3.0 high-end one, but I don't know, maybe I do transfer a lot of files, so maybe it's going bad, not sure. But I am getting the write speeds that I need to record 4K, so that's okay. It's as you saw, I was averaging about 80, 85 write, 90, 95 read. So that's enough to record the 4K, to transfer the videos as fast as I could. It's pretty amazing that we've come a long way with these tiny little 1 terabyte cards. All right, so again, this is more informational. Look at, give you my own, tell you my reasons why I purchased this, and that's so that I don't have to keep emptying the card, and it'll be twice as big as the 400 gig one that I had purchased. Same brand, same company. This one was pretty pricey. This was about $160 for this card. The other one, the 400 gig, was a lot cheaper. I might have paid like $75 or something, or $65, something like that. All right, I'll be adding this to my GoPro videotaping bag, and I hope to get a lot of use out of it. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Unpacking and speed test SanDisk 1 TB Extreme UHS-I micro SDXC memory card with SD adapter BHC1-AN6MA SDSQXAV-1T00-AN6MA 11-2022. Cost $159.99. Purchased on B&H website. In the box, SanDisk 1 TB Extreme UHS-I micro SDXC memory card with SD adapter. Micro SD to SD adapter. Limited 30-year warranty in Germany, Canada, and regions not recognizing the lifetime warranty. Limited lifetime warranty, US only. Key features: 1 TB storage capacity. A2 UHS-I V30U3 Class 10. Max read speed, 190 MBs. Max write speed, 130 MBs. Show more. Designed for micro SD devices such as smartphones, drones, and action cameras that can capture full HD and 4K video, as well as raw and burst photography, the 1 TB Extreme UHS-I micro SDXC memory card from SanDisk has a capacity of 1 TB. Designed for micro SD devices such as smartphones, drones, and action cameras that can capture full HD and 4K video, as well as raw and burst photography, the 1 TB Extreme UHS-I micro SDXC memory card from SanDisk has a capacity of 1 TB, is compatible with the UHS-I bus, and features a speed class rating of V30, which guarantees minimum write speeds of 30 MBs. If your device does not support the V30 standard, this card also supports the U3 standard, which also guarantees minimum write speeds of 30 MBs. Read speeds are supported up to 190 MBs and write speeds max out at 130 MBs. While this card has been designed for cameras that are UHS-I V30U3 compatible, it may be used in devices that do not support UHS-I V30U3. However, bear in mind that this card will then default to your device's speed class and bus rating, such as UHS-I and U1, which supports minimum write speeds of 10 MBs, or Class 10, which also supports minimum write speeds of 10 MBs. Aside from support for UHS-I, V30, and U3. SanDisk also built this card with support for the Application Performance Class 2, A2 spec, which includes optimizations to give Android users an improved mobile experience, delivering faster mobile app performance. The A2 spec allows the card to manage random read input-output access per second, IOPS, operations, so it can quickly open apps and process accompanying tasks, such as audio, graphics, saved profiles, and in-app permissions. As with most SanDisk media, this memory card is shock-proof, X-ray-proof, and waterproof, while also being able to withstand temperatures ranging from -13 to 185 degrees, allowing you to take this card with you into extreme environments. Should the card's data become compromised, you also benefit from the option to download Rescue Pro Deluxe software, and SanDisk's Memory's own app offers users a simple way to organize, browse, and backup files on their Android mobile device. Additionally, included is a micro SD to SD adapter with a write protect switch, allowing this card to be used in SD-compatible devices. Great for capturing 4K UHD video. Ideal for recording outdoor adventures, weekend trips, or sporting events without skipping frames. With 1 TB of storage, the SanDisk Extreme Micro SD card lets you capture uninterrupted 4K UHD and Full HD video with its UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30, ratings. Load apps faster with A2. Get faster app performance for an outstanding smartphone experience, thanks to the card's A2 specification. Highlights. Save time transferring media with SanDisk QuickFlow technology. Pair with the SanDisk Professional ProReader SD and Micro SD card reader for speeds up to 190 mbs. Up to 130 mbs write speeds for fast shooting. Capture 4K UHD and Full HD video. Resistant to shock, water, X-rays, and temperature extremes. Manage files with the SanDisk Memory's own app, which is available as a free download. Includes a Rescue Pro Deluxe data recovery software download offer. A micro SD to SD adapter is included for compatibility with full-sized SD devices. UPC 619,659,189,495. In the box. SanDisk 1 TB Extreme UHS-I Micro SDXC memory card with SD adapter. Micro SD to SD adapter. Limited 30-year warranty in Germany, Canada, and regions not recognizing the lifetime warranty. Limited lifetime warranty, US only. News, tips and reviews. Top memory cards for photo and video recording. John Paul Perlascandalo. 3 years ago. Spec sheet. 0.9 MB. More from manufacturer. SanDisk 1 TB UHS-I Micro SDXC specs. Quantity 1. Card type Micro SDXC. Storage capacity 1 TB. Bus type UHS-I. Speed class 10. UHS speed class U3. Video speed class V30. Application performance class A2. Read speed maximum 190 mbs. Write speed maximum 130 mbs. Minimum 30 mbs. Durability shock-proof, temperature extremes, waterproof, X-ray proof. Operating temperature -13 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, -25 to 85 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Wireless capability none. Packaging info. Package weight 0.04 pounds. Box dimensions, LXWXH, 6x 3.95x 0.2 inches.